Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Clucky Junior. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the beak. Let's start with the curve going up. And now for both sides, let's draw another curve out. And then inside, let's draw a small curve across. Now underneath this line, let's curve it down and in, leaving a gap in the center. And then one more curve to close it off. Now underneath, let's angle it down and curve it up, and the same on the right side. And then add a curve across inside at the bottom for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the rest of the beak. From the curves we drew earlier, let's bring it down and bring it in. And that's it for the beak. Now let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw two large circular curves. And then another one inside towards the center. Now inside, let's add another circle at the top. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. Next, let's hop in between the eyes and let's draw a curve up and back down on top of the beak. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. On top of each eye, let's draw a curve up and in, leaving a gap in the center. Then underneath the gap, let's draw a curve. And then bring it up and back down. Now let's continue the shape of the head by drawing a curve underneath each eye. Then a bump underneath. And then two more to close off the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Underneath, let's draw a line down on both sides. And then a small angle in. Now on both sides, let's draw a circle. And then a V-shaped point up in the center. Now on top of each of the circles, let's draw two lines for the suspenders. And then color them both in black. Now let's move back down underneath and let's draw a large curve around and back up. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. On both sides, let's draw two lines going out. Then from the top, let's draw the first finger with a curve up and back down. Now let's draw another finger going out and then one more underneath. Now let's hop in next to these two fingers and let's draw a curve down. And then a curve underneath. And then curve it back up to close off each hand. And lastly, let's add one more curve inside. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and on the right. Now from the inside, let's draw a curve in and back out. Now let's add the toes of the feet. Underneath, let's curve it down and back up, stopping here. And then let's add a curved triangle shape for the toenails. And then one more curve up on top. Now for the next toe, let's draw a curve out. Again, add a toenail. And one more curve underneath. And lastly, for the legs, let's draw 2 curves inside. And that's it for the legs and feet. Let's move back up and let's add the tail next. On the left side of the body, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it back in underneath. And then under, let's draw another curve out and back in. And that's it for Clucky Junior. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!